Tired of spending hours manually creating Kvcore drip campaigns, copy-pasting endlessly from Word documents? Let's dive into how to build a Kvcore drip campaign fast using your existing Word documents, saving you precious time and boosting your lead nurturing first. Open your Microsoft Word document. Ensure your email content is properly formatted with clear subject lines and body text. Consistent formatting here will make importing much smoother. Notice how we've used bold text for the subject lines and have clear paragraph breaks in the email body. This makes a huge difference when importing now. Logged into your Kvcore platform, navigate to the Marketing Autopilot section on the left-hand menu, then click on Campaigns. Click the Add Campaign button. Choose to create a custom campaign now. Give your campaign a descriptive name. This will help you easily identify it later. You can also add a brief description for your own reference. Next, the magic happens. Instead of manually typing in each email, we'll use the copy-paste method. Strategically go back to your Word document, copy the subject line and paste it into the email subject field in Kvcore. Then, copy the corresponding body text from your Word doc and paste it into the email body section. Now, customize the sender name, reply to email, and add any personalization tags, like first name, to make the emails more engaging. After pasting your content, double-check the formatting within Kvcore. You might need to adjust line breaks or spacing slightly. Configure the email send time. Decide when this email should be triggered after the campaign starts. For example, immediately or a few days later. Add another email and repeat this process for all the emails in your campaign. Review your entire drip campaign to ensure the order of emails, send times, and content are all accurate, and that's it. By following these steps, you can quickly transform your Word documents into effective Kvcore drip campaigns, saving you time and helping you nurture your leads more efficiently. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Kvcore tips and tricks.